All right, this is the Char-Broil Big Easy Oilless Turkey Fryer. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna open this up and show you everything that comes with it. But before that, we got these accessories. This is the 22-piece accessory kit. And in this, you get 10-piece kebab holder, 2 leg racks, 6 hooks for rib slabs, and 4 hooks for boneless ribs. And we also have the Charbroil cover to go with it. Start opening this up. Open it up and you have grilling guide and looks like an assembly manual, product guide, and all that good stuff. Here is the lid, the mesh lid. Go on top like that. You have styrofoam. And they have everything all packed in here pretty well. You have the temperature probe. There's the basket. And in the basket you have let's see what we have here. Here's all the screws that we're going to be using. This is the legs and stuff, so we'll be putting that together. Got some more parts in here. There's more of the legs and stuff. Here's the regulator. So looks like we changed it up a little bit. See, the buttons are already installed. The igniter and the regulator. And this is going to be the drip tray. I'm going to give you one of these pans. This is the basket, the cooking basket. Looks like it's a little bit improved. Here's the hook that you're going to use, like this, to get the food out. Now here is, hold on. Now this is your cooking pot. See, it has some styrofoam in there, so we're going to have to wash this out before we do anything with it. This is attached. True infrared oilless turkey fryer. And open this up. No flare-ups, cook faster, use less gas, even heat prevents hot and cold spots. And here it is. Here is the a little bit from the packaging there. Charbroil Big Easy. All kinds of like little things right there I'm not really a fan of. Here's for you gotta use a match if the igniter stops working. All right, let's get the parts together and we're gonna put this thing together. Alright, so here's the first step, is having that put on. Everything being done backwards makes it easier. I'm doing it on upside down, not backwards. So there's that part. Next we're going to be putting on this top part here. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Hold on, show you what it looks like. Okay, step 2 is done. It's putting these things together. So you've got a couple of screws. And that one's got the warnings on it and stuff. This is going to be base. I guess this is the base. We're going to put this on. Let's see how this is going to set up here. It's going to go... somehow so we'll see here. Get that piece together and we'll show you. Okay, now the base is on there. You see the wire is connected for your igniter. The regulator's hooked up. Let's use these 6 screws for that, and we're going to move over to the next step. Well, we already did that. It's 4. We're going to put the handles on, and we're almost done. We're going to flip it over, put the handles on, and then put the tray on. Then we're going to take it outside, and we're going to hook up the regulator and hook up the tank to the regulator, make sure it fires, and be good to go. Okay, the handles are on. That's how the regulator sits on there. All we have left is the drip pan, which appears it's going to slide in like this, and that's on there. Yeah, all it's got to do is hook up the gas, clean up the cook pot, and do a little seasoning. All right, we got the tank hooked up. We're going to use some cooking spray and wipe down inside the tank here to get it going. I'm going to turn the gas on. Make sure everything looks good there. Turn this all the way. There we go. Probably it's going to be hard to see, but there's certainly, you can see there you go. You can see some flame there. Windy out here, but going to take some canola oil cooking spray, spray the inside of this really good, all down in there. Take a paper towel, wipe it all in. Pot moves a little bit. It gets hot in a hurry, I tell you that. I can already start feeling the heat coming off of it. Basically wipe it all down. Try to get a smooth coat the best you can. And you'll know when you here we go. Gotta charge this phone. Basically wipe it all down, and we'll see in a few minutes, about 15-20 minutes, see that get nice and dark. As you can see, it's starting to get that color. You can kind of see the white marks, but that's all you need to do right there. I mean, the bottom, not as much, but you can definitely still see the oil there, but the bottom you don't have to worry about too much. And that's what you gotta do. So we're gonna shut it down, and we'll see you on Thanksgiving morning.